Is your morning wood disappearing or gone completely? This isn't just about aging. It's your body's way of sending a serious health signal. In this video, we uncover the science behind why morning erections fade, what this reveals about your heart health, testosterone levels, and overall well-being, and how you can restore it fast, naturally, and safely. Whether you're in your 20s, 40s, or 70s, you'll discover practical, doctor-approved strategies that work worldwide. No gimmicks, no hype, just real solutions. If you care about your vitality, confidence, and longevity, watch until the end. You'll be surprised by what's really going on. Morning with Vanishing, what your body really means, and how to bring it back fast. Watch closely because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand why it's happening, you'll know exactly how to bring it back. Fast, naturally, and safely. Let's be clear, morning wood or nocturnal penile tumescence is normal. Healthy men, even into their 70s, can experience it. But here's the truth nobody tells you. When it fades, it's often your first visible sign of cardiovascular decline. Why? Because erections, especially in the morning, depend on strong, healthy blood flow. And the same arteries that supply the heart and brain supply this. In fact, research shows that in many men, erectile changes happen 3 to 5 years before heart symptoms appear. Think of it as your body's early alert system. But here's the twist. Losing morning wood isn't always about blood flow. Sometimes the real cause is hiding in your brain's chemistry, and that's where most men get it wrong. Animation of brain, releasing hormones during sleep. Sleep cycle diagram showing REM phases. Morning erections are mostly linked to REM sleep, that deep stage when your brain is dreaming. Your body is paralyzed, but your blood vessels are dilating. During REM, your testosterone peaks, nitric oxide is released in blood vessels, and smooth muscle in the penis relaxes, causing increased blood flow. But here's where lifestyle sabotages you. Poor sleep, late-night screen use, alcohol, smoking, stress, and even certain medications can disrupt REM and the whole process breaks down. By age 30, testosterone starts to drop, about 1% per year. Combine that with chronic stress raising cortisol, and your body's ability to trigger a strong morning erection weakens. And low testosterone isn't just about sex. It affects mood, muscle, and even brain health. So, how do you know if it's hormones, blood flow, or both? There's a simple 3-step self-check you can do at home that might surprise you. Step 1. Track frequency. You should have morning erections at least 3 to 4 times a week if you're under 50. 2 to 3 times if you're older. Step 2. Check firmness. Not to be crude, but a healthy erection should feel like a full 100% inflation, not a half-hearted attempt. Step 3. Compare with nighttime erections. If they're missing entirely, think vascular health. If they happen at night but not in the morning, think sleep quality or hormone shifts. Before I give you the fix, I want you to drop your age group in the comments. 20s, 30s, 40s, 50 plus, and whether you've noticed changes. I'll use your feedback to make a follow-up video addressing your specific age bracket. Okay, let's bring it back. Fix number 1, boost blood flow naturally. 20 to 30 minutes of moderate cardio daily. Walking, cycling, swimming. Cut back on processed sugar and trans fats. They inflame arteries. Add foods high in nitrates, spinach, beetroot, to widen blood vessels. Fix number 2, optimize testosterone and hormones. Strength training 3x/week. Get 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep, especially REM. Maintain healthy body fat. Too much lowers testosterone. Fix number 3, reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Limit blue light 1 hour before bed. Use relaxation techniques, meditation, deep breathing. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. And here's the kicker. There's one nighttime habit that kills testosterone faster than aging ever could. I'll break it down in my next video, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell. If this helped you, share it. Every man you know, your brother, your best friend, your father, needs to hear this. Morning wood isn't just about sex. It's about your future health. Don't ignore the signs. Fix them now and live stronger, longer.